Hello, it's me. I'm close to the camera. Hi, I'm Michael, and I'm just going to give you an update of what I've been doing. It's good to hear. It's been a few weeks. I've been away, so that's what you'll see in the little clips that look like this. But first, before we look at that, let's have a look at what I've been doing. So this is the last 7 days, but really we should probably be looking at the last few weeks. So you can see lots of time spent trying to get Done Good ready, and the podcast, and not much else, to be honest. Yeah, that's about it, and some admin. And in the last week, a lot on my on Done Good, but also on some work I'm doing around it. So Done Good's looking pretty good. I don't know if I'd done this before, but we've got, you can upload a picture now. You can have the NASA picture of the day in the background. The task form looks like this. I've updated. This was a big job. So before I had that whole big complicated thing, I realized if you just edit one day at a time, all you need is this. And then we just go edit and we can drag things up into it. And so that is fine. Oh, why did that disappear? Bugs still. So that was a huge breakthrough. I've got rid of the whole concept of lists and projects and subtypes. I've got rid of the whole, and now it's just lists. So you just have your lists. And you can edit a list. You can set the color. You can set a time budget for it. That was something I came up with yesterday. But yeah, we're mainly living in these screens in Done Good now, and it's very nearly ready to go. So what I've been doing is I just wanted to work on this big blog post about it. So I've been doing this data visualization. So this is me putting together a big blog post to follow up this other one that I did, which looked like this, which was my what did I do in the first 6 months? Now I'm writing this other one, which has got a lot more detail. I've been working on this data visualization, which shows all of my app sales, all of my how I've spent my hours, what my habits have been, what my mood has been, what the ups and downs have been there, my sleep, my workouts, my weight, all on there. And I'm just figuring out some numbers, coming up with a style for this document. Hourly rate, 25 cents an hour. So yeah, that'll all come together soon. So you've got that to look forward to, I hope. That was Lugano. What a nice place. We were expecting thunderstorms that day, and it was just really nice instead. So I've been making these good to hear update videos, but I decided to start. We're 4 episodes in. We've started doing proper YouTube videos of the podcast. Right, so you can see our actual faces. You can see our actual faces. And there we are talking, having a chat. Let's see. So these, if you just go to grandpodcast.com, so these YouTube links now just go to real videos, or you can subscribe on YouTube. And I'm maintaining a playlist. Look, it's us talking. So that's exciting, isn't it? We did one on burnout. We did one on potential, where I was worrying about the idea of am I fulfilling my potential? We did one on these were after I came back from my holiday. We did one on charity, and then we just did one on quantified self. So all this stuff that I'm working on is quantified self. And finally, we just did one on ideas today. So that's the podcast. That's obviously been taking up quite a lot of my time, but I think it's all right. Here's another clip. And the final thing I've been doing, which I'll show you this. This is my little notepad that I take when I'm not. I don't want to open my phone, but I had some ideas for Shoot. So Shoot might finally get some features. What that's going to involve it. So one thing I realised, so Shoot is an app that lets you share the live camera feed. It's probably blank now because it's work in progress. Just lets you take the camera feed from your phone and share it to OBS or other streaming software, or Zoom now. And in fact, something I will just quickly mention is I did write a blog post this week saying, look, you can use Zoom as a you can use my app as a webcam now. Plug it in via AirPlay. Zoom have started supporting that nice AirPlay functionality. So there's that. But what I've realised I can do is, if you are mirroring your screen over AirPlay or over one of these very expensive HDMI connections, which I bought especially to test the app with, I can put something different on the phone screen to what I put on the mirrored screen, and I can also make that 4K or 1080p properly instead of just whatever the phone screen resolution is. So, and I can also put overlays on. So I can give you like a focus dial. I can give you some, and so there's some things I'm working on to do with Shoot that will take it to the next level. And also I'm looking really forward to putting something in there that says like, what are you filming with this, and can I come and join your stream? So that I'm kind of excited about that. But before I do that, I've just got to get this big epic blog post out and get Done Good off the ground and just see if that's actually going to generate any interest. And then Shoot, which really, as you can see from this blog post I'm working on, like lots of people are using Shoot. You can't even see the sales for changes in good habits on this chart. They're so low. Like occasionally, around launch, I think, yeah, look, changes 2286. So finally, the app that's actually selling, I'm going to do some work on. So there we go. That song, I'm not going to play the whole thing, but yeah, that's on my that song's on my on Spotify and things. Right, that's it for this week. So I'll see you next week. Bye.